What is this? Is this even a functionable bowl?
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here and contemplate. I just can't stop thinking about it. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smiled at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
Watching you was such a thrill.
sometimes a project just does not go how you want, and you're left with a bowl with a pyramid in the center. Kind of looks like a little sombrero. I keep it up on the wood shelf. But we were really just testing out this log on the new side of this lathe here for the extension. So not every project has to be something you keep. Who knows what this will become down the road, but I think it's kind of a fun little sombrero. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, maybe leave us a comment if you did enjoy what you watched. If not, we'll see you next time that you swing by the channel. Take it easy. Bye.